Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm just gonna do a very short video of the best icons for your CasaOS dashboard. So today I was looking for an icon for my Android shortcut that I have on my CasaOS dashboard here. And as I was looking for, I went on the internet and of course I could find some icons, but normally the way it works here is that CasaOS will accept a URL. So since I don't have any place to host it, where it's on the internet, it's going to be staying there. So I wanted to find a reliable place where I can find those icons. And I came across this here, this website, Selfh.st or Selfh.st, and they have multiple high quality icons. I do believe they maintain this. These icons, you can grab the URL and you can use it for your CasaOS icons. As I was looking for Unraid here, you can see that I can copy the PNG. And when I do that, I'm gonna go back to my CasaOS, change the settings here and put that in. I'm gonna refresh. And as you can see, the icon is here. So if you guys are ever looking for an icon for something that you can just use in any other place where you host your self-hosted applications and you need some icons, I do believe this website, Selfh.st, is actually a very good resource. And of course, I do believe this video should have been like a short, but I'm too lazy to do that. So subscribe for more. This has been JC Laforge for JC Laforge Tech. See you guys in the next video. Subscribe, like for more. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.